In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Facebook ad support in just 5 minutes. If you're managing ad campaigns on Facebook, you know that having access to support can be crucial for resolving any issues that may arise. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in Facebook Ads Manager and hit enter. You should see a link that will take you straight to the Facebook Ads Manager page. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start your journey into contacting Facebook's ads support. Once the Ads Manager page opens up, look for the button that says Go to Ads Manager. Give it a click. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, this will bring you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address and password. Take a moment to ensure this information is correct, as mistakes here can delay you. When you're ready, click on the login button. Now that you're inside your ads manager, you'll want to navigate to the campaigns dashboard. It's here that you typically manage all your advertising campaigns, but today we're focused on getting support. So keep an eye out for a small help icon. It typically resembles a question mark and is your next step in reaching support. Once you spot this help icon, click on it. A menu will appear offering a variety of options. From this menu, select Help Center. This will direct you to a page that's brimming with resources about various topics related to Facebook ads, but you're here for more personalized assistance, so let's keep moving. In the Help Center, you'll find an option that says Get Support. Clicking on this will bring up a few different ways you can connect with Facebook support. You might see options like Get Started or simply Support. Each of these will route you towards support services, so choose the one that feels most intuitive for you. After you click through, you'll be directed to a section that covers both outstanding issues and resolved issues. This part of the process is where you can view any ongoing support queries you may have, as well as keep track of those that have been completed. And that, my friends, is how you can contact Facebook ad support in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you can efficiently reach the help you need to keep your campaigns running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to save it for the next time you need a refresher, and feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy advertising.